have 3 products where we're pushing this year. So we are promoting our savings product, our transactional accounts, and we're promoting our partner plan. So those 3 accounts, we're actually encouraging students to actually save with our savings account and use our transactional account for their everyday transactions. So buying burgers, stuff like that, lunches and stuff like that, what its intended purpose is.
For us as young persons using technology as a means to get out our business there, I give that a thumbs up. So I think it's a very good team and a very timely theme.
JIPO is on board with this innovation tech fair simply because innovation drives technology. In terms of intellectual property, it's a set of laws that are meant to protect any original creations. And as such, JIPO, which is the National IP Office, covers all intellectual property rights and protection.
Look like money a come, look like money a come my way.
Coming into the schools, you know what I mean, to speak with the students, the university, you know what I mean, is something that celebrity always want to be a part of.
IEEE UTECH branch, where it's a collection of students who want to learn about programming, robotics and electronics. And we also partake in international competitions such as Southeast Con, which is kept in the southeast region of America.
Well, you know what I mean, it's a good vibe, you know what I mean.
We actually just released a product called Student Membership, where we essentially tailored the product, the other membership benefits, for road trips, so students can go to Frenchman's Cove, Pelican's Bar, Reggae Falls, that type of a thing. In addition to that, we know that students at this point in their life would like to get driving lessons and so on. So this product actually gets them 10% off our driving lessons as well. And it's all for $4,250 plus tax for the year.
We are happy to be on board because we are innovative. What we are registering for here today is the Western Union Direct to Bank service. So what that does is allow the receiver to receive the money directly into their bank account.
We're in the business of sexual reproductive health, and as such we're here to provide free, confidential and discreet HIV testing to UTECH Knights or staff from UTECH.
Well, I feel great about it, I don't lie. Although I come and see the whole heap of food and something, I say yes, the tour look good. Yeah, but it's a different feelings, I like it.
We have today offering our Conquer energy drink. It's fairly new on the market, our flavor has changed. People will enjoy this drink. We also have our Lyric soft drink here with us today, and it is one of the best sodas on the market compared to other brands.
The world is really evolving, and as a library we need to do that also.
Thick and Trendy provides thick, fashionable clothes for plus-size women.
Being official DJ, feel good about it. You know what I mean? And it's fun so far. For the first one at UTECH, fun.
We got love. We got love.
Let me just thank you guys, the release, for having me. Yes, it's my first time on the tour, and today was the first stop, UTECH. Yay!
Yeah, the vibe's nice, man. I'm looking forward to the rest of the show them. I don't know how we bring the vibe straight, so I'm just gonna go out there and have fun at each one of the show them, man. Yo, big up to the whole release team, yo. And thanks for having me, yo.
Independent girl, no one go, can't talk.
Yes, it's a wonderful experience. I get to perform in front of new faces, so more people can get to know me. It's an awesome experience.